one of the problems that we have with malaria is the fact that people are not seeing malaria as a big issue. And we work with them to show how malaria is the problem in their daily life.
The deaths attributed to malaria went up from about 400,000 to over 600,000 deaths, meaning that if we are to relax in our efforts to control malaria, it could hit us harder. And this calls for the development of new tools to support the existing ones.
When we heard about gene drive, which is a new intervention which is coming into place, we decided to come and number one, first get the knowledge, since knowledge is power. So when we joined the organization, we decided to come to learn more about this gene drive.
Learning about gene drive is to look at it as an alternative way, alternative vector control methods to fight malaria.
How these parasites go into Anopheles mosquito and not in the male. Because when I am a carrier of a certain disease, it will mean I am born with it or I acquired it. So where does this parasite come from in the first place?
Before us humans, if you look at its biology and its relatedness, it's very similar to other groups called Apicomycera, and it's related to the chloroplast in the plant. So it's ancient, and somewhere along the line, it found its way, in us.
But we believe that probably we got it over evolutionary time, right?
Eliminating it in one of those. So if you eliminate it in one, you should be able to get rid of it completely. There is no other source.
Some of us who are wondering, now we have bednet, we have IRS, why do we need gene drive? Right? Exactly. Somebody said exactly. Exactly. So the strategies that we have, they work. They have saved lives. But so far, they have not been able to take us to where we want to be. Malaria elimination or malaria eradication. I have convinced you that the existing strategies work, but they have not taken us where we want to be, and that we need novel tools.
This training has actually enlightened me to separate gene drive from sterile insect techniques and from the other methods that I thought that gene drive is part of.
Parce que gene drive, ça vient en complément des autres stratégies que nous avons. Surtout actuellement, nous avons un problème de résistance des vecteurs aux insecticides. Et gene drive sera vraiment une opportunité pour les pays africains pour faire face à l'élimination du paludisme.
The scientists are doing the right thing. And for us, the participants which have been here, we have grasped a lot of information, and it will therefore be our turn now to go and inform those who have remained behind of what a gene drive is. And to me, gene drive is going to be a game changer if we finish all the processes.
Gene drive, looking at it after learning a lot, it will be easier being coordinated from a higher level than at a lower level. And PAMCA is the right candidate for pushing that agenda.
Le message que j'ai à dire à PAMCA, c'est surtout de dire aux chercheurs du PAMCA de continuer avec la recherche, parce que le vecteur que nous avons face à nous, c'est un vecteur vraiment qui est dangereux, surtout le vecteur, le plasmodium. Donc, et gene drive aussi, ça va nous permettre à pouvoir gérer les autres vecteurs, c'est-à-dire les autres maladies, pour accélérer à leur élimination.